welcome to another video. Today I have my room tour. Sorry if I sound a little funny. I am very sick right now, so I got early from school. So I'm basically gonna do my room tour, and my room tour is mermaid themed. So here's right at the door. You have this door, and the hall is right here, and you go downstairs. So I have stairs upstairs to my room. So this door is right here. Then you have some bags on the doorknob and some bags up here. Then what you have is, I'm going to go like this way, all the way to there again. So then I have Mary and Joseph. Then I have my fan things controls. You can turn it off or on, but I have it on because, you know. And then I have this thing, you can't really see it, but it's a little thing that I store all my stuff. And then I have this beanbag chair with my American Girls. I have Mary Ellen, which I will show you guys. Mary Ellen right here. And then I have Grace. And she was the, you cannot get her anymore because she was the New Year doll or something from 2015 or 16. And you cannot get her anymore. And then the next thing I have is this light right here, which controls my light. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, I have a chandelier. I will show you guys. Here's the chandelier. And I can turn it off and turn it back on. So, let's show you my closet space. Now I have my closet space. I have these mermaids that my mom and papa gave me. And two of them, one was brown haired and then one was red haired. And these two are here. And then I have this closet which is actually being fixed. One day I just pulled it and then the handle came right off. So I don't have a door handle. So my mom just see if, so this one has all my winter stuff. Long sleeve shirts, jackets, school skirts and shorts, shoes. So my mom will usually just get the top and open it, which is not a big deal. Then I have my other closet right here, which is fixed. So I have my diamond handle, and that one will have it too. And you open it, and it is my toy area. So I have some LOL dolls right here, some Hatchimals over there, a bank right here, a game right here, ooh, a sequin bag, a kit doll, American Girl doll. I have a painting. And if you haven't told, sorry guys. And if you haven't told, my name is Mermaid theme, so you will see a lot of mermaid things soon. Now let me put this up. And it used to be Hello Kitty, but now it's Mermaid because I love mermaids. Then we have my bathroom space. Isn't that exciting? So I have this beautiful wallpaper. Yes, I know it's a mermaid, but my bathroom is pink. I mean, my whole room is pink, white, and black, and some gray, but it's mostly white and pink. And then I have a Google right here with all my makeup. I don't normally wear, but then I have all this space. Like I have some lights up there, countertop, and then I have my shower right here, which I very much. And then, hold on guys, let me pause you. I'm so sorry, this is not really high quality. And then I have my dresser space. Then I have my dresser space. So I have this white dresser, and I have pictures of me when I was young. These Polaroids. I have my Amazon Echo Dot. I'm gonna play some music. What should I put on? Oh, Alexa, put on Fergalicious by Fergie.
Fergalicious, explicit by Fergie, starting now on Amazon Music. 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then I have my mermaid book and a mermaid candle. has mermaids on it. Should make them work a little cool. And then I have a portrait that my dear Jenna and Mayers gave me. Delicious. And then I have, oh, these are really special to me. I have these rhinestones that I got from my best friend Charlotte and Annalise, and I just keep on my desk. Oh, thank God it's from Hobby Lobby and plastic. It didn't break. And then I have this mermaid. You have to be very careful with. It just smells in my room. Very good smell. And I can't do this, but it's a mermaid lamp. Let me bring you guys closer. I can't see anything. Then I have this mermaid lamp. Then I have this picture. And guys, this is Charlotte and Annalise. Yes, they're little. So this is Charlotte. Right here. And then this is Annalise. She's so cute, like so cute. And then I have this is what they gave me. And then up here I have this thing. It says, always remember to be yourself. Unless you can be a mermaid, then always be a mermaid. And on my windowsill right here, I have 3 mermaids. So it's really cute. I can't stop thinking of Virgie. And then I have these bunk beds. And why did I do that? And I have my cat sleeping right here. So I get him in the door. He's very sleepy. Oh, don't come in. It's okay. Say hi to you. This is my cute little cat named Gizmo. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look at its face. Okay, let's go back to bed, honey. There we go. He doesn't like to be bothered. And I have bunk beds, as you can see. Here's the top one. And I sleep right here. And then I have this right here. And this is my little thing right here. It has a lamp. Then I have these curtains right here. They're pink, like pink. They're really clear. Here's the outside today. Pretty good weather, no rain. So then I have these drawers which are filled with squishies, as you guessed. I love squishies. And I have 3 drawers of them. So then I have this little thing to play hand sanitizer and a whiteboard right here. I'm going to give you a little overview of the rest of the stuff. Back to my door again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.